This is what closing a 20-kilometer market gap looks like in hardware form. Two of these modules paired together reach 50 kilometers drone to drone. No towers, no internet, no licensing, just unlicensed Bluetooth spectrum used correctly. 2 megabits per second over that distance. This is not a slow telemetry link for occasional sensor pings. This is a data rate sufficient for real-time control, live sensor streaming, and responsive feedback loops on fast-moving platforms. The STM32W7 CCV6 is doing two jobs simultaneously, managing the BLE stack and running your application firmware. A single chip handling both means lower latency, tighter timing, and no inter-processor communication overhead slowing things down. 57 by 47 millimeters, that is smaller than a standard business card. The antenna wire extends 140 millimeters. This fits inside a racing drone frame, a field sensor enclosure, or a handheld device without forcing compromises in the mechanical design. The module was designed from the start as part of a system, not a standalone component. The GNSS module, the sensors module, and the motor and battery management board all connect to defined interfaces on this board. One platform, multiple configurations. The RFOXiA Connect app gives you a PS5 style controller interface, a live map with GPS overlay and real-time sensor data all over the BLE link with no internet connection required. The range of the app is determined by the range of the module, which is up to 20 kilometers. When two people both carry a Multinav Pro Plus module, they can exchange text, data and voice completely off-grid. No cellular signal, no Wi-Fi, no infrastructure of any kind. This is the same hardware running a communication network and a control system simultaneously. Full source code access, SVD programming interface on board. If the default firmware does not match your application, you rewrite it. The module does not lock you into a proprietary ecosystem. The AI firmware builder in RFOXiA Club can generate production-ready custom firmware from a plain language description. The RTC crystal is a detail that matters when your system depends on synchronized timestamps, sensor fusion, coordinated multi-node logging, timestamped navigation data. Precise timing is built in, not added as an afterthought through an external component.